Hello, I'm Andrew. Today I'll be talking about PICO's Caméléon tool system and how to use it. For a link to our product page, please see the video description below. If you're new here, I'd like to share PICO's most popular and new products with you. To be notified of future videos, please click to subscribe below. Let me start by discussing what it's made of. PICO's Caméléon tool body consists of a sturdy carbon steel frame, adjustable compression wheel, and rubberized handles for a comfortable grip. The built-in safety release allows the tool to release mid-crimp if required. The Caméléon crimper adapts perfectly with any PICO Caméléon die. The easy change technology allows the dies to be changed rapidly without the need of any other tool. The Caméléon dies use a single crimp system. Accurate dimensions ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change them. PICO's Caméléon tools offer many solutions. The crimper eliminates the problem of over-crimping connectors. The ratchet action and quick release ensure that crimps are secure and uniform. The PICO Caméléon dies have accurate dimensions that ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change dies. We're going to be doing a demonstration on the Caméléon tool system. We're going to be specifically looking at the 416-31 A1 die for heat shrink insulated connectors. Please remember that we are working with electricity here, so disconnect from any power source. Let's go outside and get started. Hello, we're going to be replacing a burnt out taillight socket. We'll need the following. Let's get at it. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Remember, the link to our product page can be found in the video description below. The largest market segment coverage of top quality products is now at your fingertips. Connect with PICO today.